Hello, I'm Andreas. I'm a former network and systems engineer. Also, a bit more. My curriculum is quite expanded in everything that has to do with technology. I also double with software engineering in terms of vibe coding mostly. But as you can see, I don't work in an office. I live along with my significant other on a Greek village in rural Messinia. So that's close to Kalamata, which is in southern part of Peloponnese. And we decided to move here and also do our entrepreneurial stuff fully remotely. Of course, also serving the local market. This channel, Almost Tech, is a kind of spin-off from Almost Villagers, which is a Greek channel that we prepared and run with my significant other. But it's totally in Greek, so it will be all Greek to you. But for this tech channel, I decided to do it in English, even though it's not my native language. I hope I'm well understood the way I speak, but you'll probably tell me if not. This is um, this is a new channel, as you understand. I'll be reviewing technology. I will be proposing stuff to try, to use in not ideal situations, like not in a major city where everything is available, and possibilities nowadays are endless, from networking to any kind of communications to the way of working, how to be connected in a world where connectivity is bad mostly, and of course, because of my last actually formal employment job, which was had to do with cybersecurity in a very well-known Greek cybersecurity firm. I'll also keep in mind security, which nowadays, in the age of AI, is kind of important and also very complicated. So, rural setting, connectivity, systems, in the way that most of you who are interested in those kind of things but still want the latest in technology, from automation to proper laptops or gear to use in a rural setting, to connectivity like Starlink, 5G internet, a mix of both, keeping it simple but also being right on the edge of technology, is kind of my idea of what this channel will be about. Of course, with constraints of a person that doesn't live in a big city anywhere in the world. Maybe it's kind of important for people like digital nomads, maybe that's you, who decide to live their life to the fullest while also being right on the edge of technology. I've been in tech for years. I follow the trends, but also judge them, use them, evaluate them, and I will propose what works and what not. So, what to get and what to avoid. Of course, I will be biased depending on stuff like security and usability, which are like my most important things, but also ease of use, because sometimes the stuff needs to just work. So, if you like technology and if you live anywhere but inside a huge city with everything available, but maybe some of that stuff will be available, will be relatable to you as well, because Nobody lives in a big city 365 days a year. So maybe just for a trip, maybe for a prolonged vacation, you'll need some of the information I will give here. So if that sounds like a good idea, please hit subscribe. I know this is a kind of cheesy YouTuber way to just tell you that, okay, if you want to know more, you need to press a button, but it doesn't cost anything. And if you're really interested in this topic, this is the only way that you can be sure that you will be notified about the next video, especially if you hit like this kind of bell icon or whatever it is. So I'm not a very good YouTuber, but I hope I'm better in the stuff that I will show you in the future. So I'm Andreas. This is Almost Tech. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.